students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. The next question is the number of points at which f of x is equals to square bracket x, where square bracket x is greatest integer function, is discontinuous in the interval -2 to 2. So it is open bracket -2 to 2. So for a greatest integer function, if you remember the graph of greatest integer function, it will be something like, it will give the greatest integer smaller than that value. For example, if we have 0.5, so greatest integer smaller than this will be 0, correct? So square bracket of 0.5 will be equals to 0. Similarly, square bracket of 1.2 will be equals to 1. So if we'll make graph of this function, it will be something like this, and exactly at 1, it will be like this, and exactly at 1, this will give equals to 1. So square bracket of 1, square bracket of 0.99, square bracket of 0.9999 something will be equals to 0. But as soon as it is 1, it will become 1. So square bracket of means greatest integer number, greatest integer function for 0.99, this number as well, it will give the 0. But as soon as it will become 1, it will give us the value 1. And it will give 1 till we are getting 2. At 2, it will give 2. And till 3, at 3, it will give 3. And so on. Similarly, we will back side, it will also give like this. Correct? So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, and so on. This will be -1, -2, -3. Now we are supposed to calculate, we are supposed to find the number of points where it is discontinuous in interval -2 to 2, means open bracket -2 to 2, means we will not include -2 and 2. So even here the function is discontinuous at 2, but we will not count this number. Why? Because we are talking just before 2, not at 2. This function is discontinuous exactly at 2. So we will not count this discontinuity, but we will count this discontinuity 1, and second discontinuity here, and third discontinuity here, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 3 times it is discontinuous between -2 to 2. So our correct answer will be 3. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.